What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like. That really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, whatever I do throughout the day, I share all that in my Discord, and also doing live trading in my Discord 3 days a week. Check out the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into Apple stock, which is down once again 1% on the day and still holding above 125 as a support. Now Apple stock, I played some puts today right around 127.40 again, 125 puts, and this thing paid again because you want to short into the weakness. You do not want to short when the stock is moving higher and it's making a nice strong bullish trend. As of right now, it's easy to spot Apple stock, where to short, and exactly, guys. I mean, look at this. 127.20, we cannot break blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart. And once again, Apple stock ran all the way up to 127.77, shorted, made some money, got out, and now it's sitting exactly at 125. So Apple stock paid today, still holding the support 125. Now going into tomorrow, yes, Apple stock selling off for last 2-3 weeks. We could see a bounce any time here on Apple stock, a dead cat bounce, and where the stock can go. Only if we can break 127.20 blue line 5 SMA, we're going to see a move all the way up to 130, and that could be coming early as tomorrow, if not next week Monday. Also, watch this critical support 125. Soon as that gives up, we're coming all the way back down to 122, which is going to be another strong support here on this weekly chart. 122 is going to be a big level to hold here on Apple stock. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. So on Microsoft, just a few days ago, and I shared all that with my Patreon members, and I said it in my video that I got some puts right here, right around 241. Yes, you gotta hold on. When you buy something, you cannot just panic. That's why I'm buying 2-3 months of time here on Microsoft or any other position that I'm taking in the market, because I don't want to sell out quickly if it goes back up $5-6 against my puts. If it goes back up, I'll just add slowly into my position. I'm not trying to sell out for a loss, and that's why I'm buying all those time. And this is exactly what we got here on Microsoft. My $200 puts went over 100% already. I took some profit, and I think by end of March, we're going to see possibly, or actually before that, 200 here on Microsoft. But in the short term, yes, we could see a bounce. Microsoft getting extremely oversold, sitting below 225.38, lower Bollinger Band. So going into tomorrow, if there is a bounce, watch out for the resistance at 225, and if that breaks, we're going to see a straight run all the way up to 232 and above 232, and that could be coming going into next week when that CPI comes out. If the numbers are lower, we're going to see Microsoft going all the way up to 238 to fill this gap all the way up here. Now, this gap is completely filled right now. So Microsoft next strong support will be down here at 212, and then possibly, like I said, going into next month, into March, we could see Microsoft coming back down and going even lower, just like Apple stock, and hitting a new 52-week low, and that would be 200, guys. And now we're going to look at Amazon. On Amazon stock, we're down 2.37% on the day, and Amazon getting rejected 2 days in a row right here, right around $86 to $87, rejected by this negatively sloping 20 SMA, and now coming back down to possibly a new 52-week low. Now Amazon under 84.68. Tomorrow, this thing can come all the way down to flat $80 right here, and that would be a strong support, and that's going to make a new 52-week low here on Amazon. To the upside, we have strong resistance at 84.68 orange line 13 SMA, and above that 86.59 white line 20 SMA, and only if we can get above 86.59 we're going to see a quick trip all the way up to $90, and that's going to be also a strong resistance here on Amazon, and a lot of shorts are waiting right up here to short Amazon. So watch out if there is a bounce. Definitely Amazon is good to short in the short term at 90. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, we're down 2.19% on the day, and looks like, just like Amazon, getting rejected by this negatively sloping 20 SMA, sitting at $90 to $91. We got up to 90 and then $91 also here on Google, and now coming back down, taking out the support 89, also took out $88, blue line 5 SMA, and now we're trading at 86.77. Looks like Google wants to come down to the support $85. Lower Bollinger Band will act as a support down here at 85. To the upside, we have resistance at 89, 90.67 white line 20 SMA, and only if we can get up to 90.67, and if that breaks, we're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 93.45 red line 50 SMA. And now we're going to look at Meta. On Meta, we're actually down 0.34% on the day, but look at this, guys. Meta still holding, and even today, exactly 124. Low for the day, 124.54. So the strong resistance at 124. Now it's acting as a support, and this thing ran all the way up to almost 129. Now, Meta is also not getting that breakout above 128. We're finding strong resistance at 128. And if that breaks, we could see it run all the way up to 135 to even 140. To the downside, soon as we break 124, I mean, look at this gap down here at 120.66, and then all these gaps down here, guys. So lot more downside here on Meta. Yes, in the short term, it looks bullish, looks like a breakout, but I think it's not going to last too long. We're going to see at some point within 6 to 8 weeks, Meta coming all the way back down to 100, possibly going even lower and filling all these gaps down here. Now going into tomorrow, we have strong resistance at 128. We have strong support at 124. Below that, watch out for 120.66 and then 119 white line 20 SMA. And if that gives up, we're coming all the way back down to 112, and that is a strong support here on Meta. And now we're going to look at Tesla. On Tesla stock, we're down close to 3% on the day, and a lot of people are still thinking this is a dip here on Tesla. They can flip it overnight and make money. It's going to be really hard unless you're holding long term. Now Tesla, if you look at my screen, holding the support once again. We have strong support at 110, 107, 105. And right now it's holding 110 as a support. And today only ran up to 111.75, and that was it. So going into tomorrow, support level to watch 110, 107, 105. To the upside, we have resistance at right around 115, blue line 5 SMA. And if that breaks, watch out for the gap fill right around 120, and then a move all the way up to 125, also possible to this orange line 13 SMA. So thank you so much for watching. Watch those levels going into tomorrow, and that's all I have for you guys tonight.